All right, guys, welcome to another session of some insane price action. Yeah, this is really insane, guys. Really insane. What a rally here on NQ. This is not stopping. You can't trade this. Simple as that, really, guys. You cannot trade this. You cannot short it and you cannot long it. So we cannot do anything here. We have to just watch. Really, there isn't. We can't trade this. Yeah, this is virtually impossible. So we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna sit here and twiddle our thumbs and just wait until we get an opportunity. Because this is just bullshit, to be honest with you guys. This is this is something we cannot trade. No idea what's causing this rally. In the market, the oil's above 100, and yeah, it's just not making a lot of sense. Bitcoin's hardly rallying, you know, it's only $80,000, but the stock market is just out of control right now. Yeah, just not making any sense at all, guys. Not making any sense at all. We've got oil at 102, and the market's making new highs every single day. Yeah, this is, look at this, man. This is just, yeah, it's not making a lot of sense. We got some news at 10, JOLTS and ISM. I don't think that's going to make much of a difference here, but we shall see. The only level I see is down here at the 870s, and we're not going to get that. So we're looking for a long from around this bigger gamma level here. If you can get this this bigger pullback into the 990s, we can possibly look to take a long from here, or even the previous day highs. And any of these two levels are going to support. This is going to be your support today, and you're probably going to be looking to take it a long from here. I don't think we're gonna reach this level today. I very much doubt that. So those are your two levels where we're looking for dips to buy. Aside from that, really there isn't much else going on. SPX is tackling this gamma level. It's a big gamma level. NQ rejecting off its implied move higher. So let's see what happens here. There's going to be a lot of hedging activity here. So there's going to be a lot of hedging activity inside here of here. So this might give us the drop that we need here, so we can, you know, take a long trade. But aside from that, guys, there's really nothing we can do about this. We cannot do anything about here. Yeah, every dip is just getting eaten alive. Shorts are just getting absorbed on every single drop. I can see in the order flow every time it drops. Longs are absorbing and just making new highs, consistently making new highs over and over again. So yeah, this is virtually impossible to trade. Virtually impossible, guys. You cannot trade this. I would not financial advice, but I would not look to be trading this. This is dangerous stuff. Because you can't really catch a long. It just opens and just rallies, opens, rallies. Hardly pulls back. This is probably worth taking a week off here, guys. This is just an insane bull market, and bull markets are really not that easy to trade. In all honesty, they're very difficult markets to trade. Actually, a normal bull market gives you decent pullbacks, but this is just, I don't know what is going on here with this market. It's just not giving. It's not giving anything at all here. Every single dip is just getting eaten alive. Look at this. Look at that pump out of nowhere. Yeah, this is just ridiculous. I think there's some news here. Okay, the PMI number just got released. Final actual 51.7. It's an actual miss, and still the market's rallying. This is not making any sense. And Islamic Republic is saying some really tough shit about the Strait of Hormuz, and yet the market's just not, doesn't give a shit. It's just rallying high after high after high after high. It just doesn't care. I don't know, man. I don't know what the hell this what is fueling this rally. This rally's not making any sense at all. So we're gonna have to wait. There's nothing really. We're just gonna keep rallying this thing. Yeah. Thing is just gonna keep going. It's gonna keep on going, guys. It's gonna keep on going. Yeah. It's gonna keep on going. This is just impossible. Possible trade. ES is not that bullish compared to NQ, but it's got this previous day high and a key gamma strike above it, so it's probably going to go and take that first before we see any meaningful pullback. Yeah, but NQ doesn't care. It's just, what is this? Since the low today, we've rallied 380 points again. And since New York Open, we have rallied 140 points. Previous day highs here, 960s. See, you got any singles? Yeah. Got some singles all the way down here. So yeah. I think all this area here is going to be support. So we can be looking for longs from here. And then for me, the next I will be down here. That's if the market's nice enough to give us that. It doesn't look like it, but we'll see. We're gonna have to be patient. We're gonna have to be patient here, guys. Okay, a bit of a rejection. Yeah, that PMI news is not great, so I don't really see why the market's just continuing to rally here. It's just senseless. But every dip just keeps getting bought. Every single dip just keeps getting bought up. Yeah. Can we get some? Can we get a shift in the tape here to some bearishness? Dare I say? It's nice if it gives us the dip. Then we can say, yeah, you know, the market's nice. But it's just trading at all-time highs, just making new highs every single 5 minutes. It's just nonsensical, you know. It's just not making any sense at all, and it's doing it again. Yeah, market supporting here. Yeah, there it goes. The amount of support in here is insane. Four more minutes until JOLTS. I think JOLTS is and ISM services PMI. Hopefully that news event just comes in and really tanks this market, because this is just impossible. Gold and silver are rallying as well. What's going on, Sam? Good morning. How are you doing? Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit. NQ just does not care. A few minutes in here. Job openings is something that's been a bit of a problem in the United States. Yeah, there's not many new jobs opening, so let's see what we get today. We're just gonna have to sit and wait. This is another rally on the cards for NQ. Looks like they're supporting here, and maybe they're gonna put in new highs. What the hell is this, man? Every single New York session just rally, 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 rally. Just does not make any sense at all. Just nonsensical. No idea what's fueling this rally. No idea. Look at this thing. It's going for another high. Any trades in Euro session? No. I don't really trade Euro session, to be honest. It looks like that's where the best action is at the moment. Is the overnight on London, yeah. But no, I'm not really used to those sessions. I don't really know how they move, so I avoid them. Okay, a minute until JOLTS here. 35 seconds. I'd love a quick flush, and then I move back. Okay. There we go. $53.6 ISM services PMI. And JOLT opening 6.86, forecast 6.84, so that's not too bad. The market is coming down here. I don't know what's going on in my Orderflow software. Okay. single prints here as well. Hardly any dip. It's getting eaten up again. Yeah, look at this thing. Hardly would call that a dip. And right back up. Yep. There she goes. What is going on with this market? It's just absolutely no sense at all here. Yeah, we're turning up every day not getting paid because this is fucking nonsensical price action. Hardly finding anything on stream these days. I don't think I'm going to find anything again by the looks of this. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to find anything. It's going for another high. Could get a bull trap here. If they're able to push it down. There's a lot of longs in this area. Well, it looks like they're going to go for a new high. It looks so strong. Point of control just shifted as well to the high. If the bulls can't move it from here soon, it's gonna eventually gonna trap some bulls, but this is just garbage, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably get out of here, guys. I don't think we're gonna even Yeah, I don't think we're going to see anything here. It's just going to carry on higher and higher by the looks of it. I'm going to give it another maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm out of it. If I don't find a setup, it's just a waste of time sitting here. Yeah, I'm just going to get out of here, guys. It's just yeah, it's nonsensical price action. Yeah, it's even got past the major gamma level. This is going to carry on going, guys. Yeah, this is going to carry on going. Previous day highs is right here on ES. Just going to go for it. Yeah, if tomorrow's the price actions like this again and we're just at all-time highs, I'm just going to stream later. Yeah, the AM is not worth streaming. I think I'm going to probably stream the later session, probably a couple hours into the day. Yeah, this is just a complete waste of time here. Yeah, here comes a sweep on ES. Maybe we get a move down after this sweep. Yeah, there it is. Can't we just get a nice dip, man? Wow. No. It's buying all-time highs. This is insane. All right, guys. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get anything here. All right, now we're getting a little bit of a pullback. Okay, can this be the trap? Can we have some bulls finally trapped? God's sake. Finding support again. Finding support here again. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't find you guys anything here, so I'm just gonna log off for you guys. All right, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow again. I'll put a notification up on the on YouTube about the start time. Anyways, guys, take care. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.